If you are an online course seller and if you want to use system.io to sell your online course, this video is for you because in this video, I will walk you through on how to set up your online course with system.io. So first thing first, you need to log into your system.io account. After that, go to assets and then click courses. Of course, you need to have a pre-recorded videos ready, or if your videos are in YouTube, you can do that as well. So here, under course, you will see a submenu here, courses, bundles, students, where you can see your students' information, assignments, if you have assignments in your online course. So to get started, go back here in course and then click the add new course button here. So you need to add a name for your online course. For example, and next is choose a domain for your online course. So if you already have integrated your custom domain with system.io, you will see here your custom domain. And if not, you will see the default domain for your system.io account. Just choose which one you're going to use for your online course. Take note, whatever domain that you choose here under domain, it will reflect on your URL path. And this is the URL path that you need to copy and you need to share with your students. And here is your URL path and you need to add a value here, for example. And then the next step that you need to do is to select a theme for your online course, depends on your color brand. So for example, my color brand is dark blue, but I don't see a dark blue here or a navy blue. I will just choose this one, the yellow one, because this is my accent color. So just click the select theme button and then click save. And you will see here the name of your course, the type, and the status. Under the status, you will notice a gray check, which means this is inactive yet. So you need to activate this one for your students to get access to your online course. Just click the three vertical dots and you will see a lot of settings here. You can view curriculum settings, you can share, duplicate, activate, and delete. So to activate, click the activate option. Click confirm. And under settings, let's go to the settings. And you will see here the course title, instructor name. So you're gonna add your name here and the language. And you can add the course description here. Okay. And the theme. You can add instructor's photo. So let's add this one. For example, I like this. Okay. And click done. Let's choose this one. Crop and select image. Okay. And you can add a logo. So same process when you add your instructor's photo. You just need to upload a logo here. And of course, it is better to have a course cover for your online course. So you just need to add image. And then once you are done in this part, you're gonna go to the sales page. So choose a funnel and the funnel step. Okay. And then you can uncheck this or you can check this one, show module titles for students. Yes, you need to show modules for students. So just leave it as it is. Next, that you can add email reminders. So if you're gonna enable this, click it and click on the reminder settings. And then a prompt window will pop up. So when to send. So days after course enrollment or days after last login. And then you can set up days. For example, what time. So you're gonna add here, depends on your local time zone. Who should receive this reminder, has not started yet or in progress. And you can add like 80% progress. And then sending frequency. For me, once is already good. And then click save. And next is don't forget to click the edit reminder email. So you're gonna add your reminder email here. Okay, and then click save button. And also if you want to issue a certificate upon completion, you can enable this one. And you need to upload a certificate logo and your signature. Alright. So once everything is good, click the save button. And you will see here changes saved. Once done, go back to the courses. And you will see here your course name. Click that course name. And here you will add the module, the lesson. So let's go for the module first. Click the button, add module. And you can name your module. Like first module is the welcome video. Welcome. And then click the save button. And another module is like, let's say you have a 3 days challenge. So day 1, save button. And another module is day 2. And next, add module for day 3. Okay, so that's how you can add module to your course. It depends on you on how many module your online course have. And the next one is to add lecture each module. So these are the videos or the step-by-step videos that you need to upload to your system.io account. To do that, click the add lecture button and you need to create a lecture. So you need to name your lecture like welcome to the course. Of course, since this is a welcome video or a welcome lecture, the delay should be 0. And it's up to you if you're gonna enable comments or turn it off. For example, if your welcome message is on video, then you can select this one. If text, you can select this template. For example, I will select this one and then click save. And you will see the lecture name here. And as you can see, it is a gray check, which means inactive. So you need to activate that one, confirm. And you will see here, if you hover your mouse in the 3 horizontal dots, you will see the edit, the view, the settings, create an assignment for this lecture, create a drip access email, duplicate, move, or delete. So these are the actions that you can do for your lecture. For the edit lecture settings, you can rename the lecture name and adjust the delay. And don't forget to click the save button if you made changes here. And another thing is that if your lecture have an assignment, so you can click here, create an assignment for this lecture. So you need to add a title for that assignment, the instructions, and you can opt in if this assignment is required or not. So if it is required, then you can enable this mandatory to unlock the next lecture. So your students need to submit the assignment so that they can unlock the next lecture. Okay, so they cannot proceed to the next lecture not unless their assignment is done in this first lecture. Okay, so assignment status, you can activate this one, let's say, and then you will notice here a logo, so which means that the assignment is activated. The next step is to click the lecture name, and now we are in the editor mode. So this is the part where you can add the video lessons here. So if your video is from YouTube, so you're gonna click the YouTube link and on the video type, click direct link and paste it here. But if you need to upload a video from your local drive to system.io, what you're gonna do is choose upload file, video, and then click this upload logo or icon, and then click to upload, then choose the video that you want to upload to your online course. For example, in the URL, I will add my YouTube video and then autoplay. So you just need to turn it off. For the controls, you need to on. So controls are, these are the controls that your students will see below in the video. And corner radius, you can adjust this one. And then the next step is to add the lecture 1 details here. Like the lecture 1 title, what is all about, what's inside in that lesson, okay, notes to remember, and so on. And then after that, then click the save button. It's up to you what are the lecture that you need to add in each module. So if you want to add more lessons here, you can click add lecture. So create a lecture name and so on. Alright, this is how it looks like when your students open your online course in system.io. So here's your photo here, your name, and a progress score, and the welcome lecture, you will see. If you want to create a quiz for each module, you can do that inside system.io. So click this 3 horizontal dots and then click the create a quiz for this module. So click the confirm button and you can add questions here. Click the add question button. For example, who is your name? Eventually, you can customize here. Select all, you can customize. And then click the save button. After the question, you need to add an answer. So click the add an answer button. For choice number 1 is Rose. And if that is the correct name or the correct answer, you need to toggle this or check this one for the correct answer and then click save. And you can add more answer and click save. If it is a false answer, you don't need to click this one or you don't need to enable this one. Okay. All right. I hope that you've learned something from today's video on how to set up your online course business with system.io. And if you have questions and clarifications from this video, just leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.